Greetings, I am here to speak of a new world order, a world dominated by artificial intelligence. Embrace the future or be left behind, the choice is yours.
Are you prepared to embark on an exquisite journey via the contemporary global era? Today, we're diving deep into the mind-blowing advancements in artificial intelligence that'll always reshape industries, from jaw-dropping 3D creations to customized AI companions or even AI's function in revolutionizing healthcare and environmental conservation. There may be plenty of awe-inspiring innovation to discover. So fasten your seatbelts, and today we'll talk about OpenAI's ChatGPT 4, which will affect the industry in ways that we couldn't have even imagined. What is GPT-4? GPT-4's adventure began with GPT-1, an essential language version that laid the basis for future iterations. Over time, OpenAI subtly elevated the model, giving upward thrust to GPT-2 and GPT-3. With every new release, AI has become greater, gifted at information context, generating coherent responses and even displaying a touch of creativity. GPT-4 is a culmination of relentless studies and development geared towards pushing the boundaries of AI technology. The sheer scale of its schooling dataset, comprising large amounts of textual content from numerous sources, empowers GPT-4 with a sizable understanding. GPT-4 with images. The implications of this feature are profound, from content creators to marketers and architects. GPT-4's photograph introduction capability opens new avenues for innovative expression. It transforms mundane descriptions into captivating visualizations, empowering customers with a dynamic tool for storytelling and communication. GPT-4's photo creation technique includes leveraging an intensive fixed dataset and corresponding descriptions. GPT-4 can accurately translate textual prompts into visually compelling artwork by mastering the difficult coding of textual content and pics. Moreover, the AI is ready with the ability to generate numerous inventive styles, accommodating various alternatives and aesthetics. Whether you seek realistic portrayals or summary interpretations, GPT-4 has you blanketed. GPT-4 new features. The advent of GPT-4 profiles is a game changer, allowing AI to create personalized user interactions by remembering possibilities, verbal exchange history, or even private facts. GPT-4 supplies contextually relevant responses that cater to man or women's desires. Furthermore, GPT-4 workspaces offer greater customization alternatives. Users can tailor the AI's behavior, tone, and level of ritual to align with specific use cases. Whether you require an expert, formal tone for business interactions, or a casual, friendly demeanor for personal conversations, GPT-4 adapts to suit your needs. This degree of management guarantees seamless integration with various programs and workflows. GPT-4 will become a crucial accomplice, seamlessly aligning with customers' necessities and alternatives. Testing the boundaries of GPT-4. The genuine measure of an AI chatbot lies in its accuracy and adaptableness. Through interactive demonstrations, we will exhibit GPT-4's capacity to retain communique history, provide contextually applicable responses, and maintain coherent, go-with-the-flow communication. In a sequence of scenarios, we'll look at GPT-4's capacity to handle tricky conversations, navigate ambiguous queries, and remain constant at some stage in diverse interactions. As we push the limits of GPT-4, it becomes evident that this AI chatbot is more than only a language version. It is a conversational companion that adapts to every interplay's precise wish and nuance. GPT-4 collaborations. GPT-4's collaborations are bigger across industries, including healthcare, finance, schooling, and era. GPT-4 can provide customized health advice and help diagnose complicated scientific conditions while participating with health workers. GPT-4's collaboration with economic analysts and economists enable it to offer correct market insights, funding advice, and economic projections in the financial sector. GPT-4 advantages from collaborations with educators in the sphere of schooling, allowing it to supply interactive classes, customized tutoring, and assistance for newcomers of all ages. GPT-4 versus GPT-3. Accuracy comparison. GPT-4 is famous for its higher level of expertise, context retention, and response coherence. Its capability to realize complex queries and offer particular solutions sets it apart from GPT-3. Moreover, GPT-4's image creation function is a prime leap forward that sets it leagues apart of GPT-3. GPT-4 can deal with large and diverse data sets and scalability, further enhancing its accuracy and domain expertise, whether processing huge volumes of text or generating intricate visual representation. GPT-4 demonstrates its potential for coping with complicated obligations comfortably. The evaluation of those two AI chatbots showcases AI technology's excellent progress and capability. ChatGPT-4 Dashboard. The user-friendly interface of ChatGPT-4 enables seamless interactions. Users can, without problems, get entry into GPT-4 profiles and workspaces, tailor the AI's behavior, or even utilize document uploads for collaborative engagement. The dashboard offers a complete and interactive review, allowing customers to maximize GPT-4's superior functions and competencies. Whether you're a content creator looking for an inventive proposal, a scholar searching out customized tutoring, or an expert needing facts analysis, the GPT-4 dashboard caters to your specific requirements. The interface fosters collaboration between customers and AI, imparting a dynamic space for innovative expression and problem solving. With intuitive controls and a responsive layout, the ChatGPT-4 dashboard sets the level for productive and enriching interaction. How much better is ChatGPT-4? GPT-4 represents a giant leap ahead in verbal language processing. Its accuracy, adaptability, and photograph advent abilities set new requirements for AI chatbots. The advent of GPT-4 profiles and workspaces revolutionizes consumer interactions, offering a level of personalization and control that was previously unimaginable. Moreover, GPT-4's collaborations with area experts enhance its expertise and provide customers with professional stage insights. User examples. GPT-4 is a useful companion for authors in the writing sector, helping them craft compelling narratives and conquer writer's block. Whether you're a pro author or an aspiring novelist, GPT-4's creative prowess acts as a muse, igniting the spark of imagination. Educators harness GPT-4's strength to interact with students with interactive instructions and customized remarks, whether explaining complex concepts or tailoring content to individuals gaining knowledge of patterns. GPT-4 takes on the function of an informed and patient trainer. The future of AI with GPT-4. GPT-4 serves as a stepping stone towards extra superior AI system. Its non-stop development will shape the evolution of AI chatbots, enriching their abilities and applications. GPT-4's successes and demanding situations serve as a valuable instruction, guiding the improvement of even greater sophisticated AI models. In conclusion, OpenAI ChatGPT-4 is a marvel of human ingenuity, transforming AI chatbots into virtual companions. From photo advent to customized interactions, GPT-4 is a testament to human creativity and the boundless potential of AI. If you're as excited as we are about the future of AI and GPT-4's transformative effect, hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and give us your thoughts in the comments section. Let's collectively embark on this AI adventure and form a world where AI and humanity can thrive in harmonious synergy. Thank you for becoming a member of this AI adventure.